May notification ang sushi dito ngayon. Itong news and updates. Okay? Sabi dito, last days to unlock staking membership. Starting April 1st, staking membership will no longer be available. Your existing membership will remain with you forever, but you will never be able to upgrade it again. Don't miss out and upgrade it before they disappear. Okay, so mawawala na yung membership, yung pag-upgrade niya. Ayan. Ayan, ako is naka-upgrade din ako itong APY 125%. So, winidraw ko lahat yung akin sa ngayon. Okay. So, pinat mo itong membership. So, sabi nga April 1, ngayon, is mawawala na raw to. Okay? So, hanggang silver lang ako. So, pwede pa kayong makahabol sa ngayon, pwede pa kayong mag-upgrade dito. Para, makahabol pa kayo kasi mawawala na raw yan. Okay? Then, ibibisit natin yung kanilang Facebook. So, ito yung post ng Sushi sa Facebook. Sa kanilang post, in this new system to generate sushi within staking, you will need to cook your sushi and collect your rewards once the cooking period is completed. The cooking process has a maximum base time of 15 minutes, which can be extended through membership. In this new model, membership enhanced the experience, allowing better comfort and management of the cooking process. Users without membership can cook up to 15 minutes per session. Okay. Yan yung available na membership nila. So kailangan mo na mag-cook yung sushi mo para magkaroon ka ng another sushi. Then so wala na yung staking. So sakay dito, you will be able to deposit any amount of sushi you want freely, just like it currently works in World Chain. Sushi deposited in staking does not grow on its own. You need to start cooking. So, ito yung bago nila. Yung sushi. Okay? Hindi na siya mag-grow through staking. So, katulad ng dati, you need to start cooking na daw. So, reward for cooking sushi will be calculated as follows. Ito yun. So, ito na yung nila. So, check nyo na lang dito sa kanilang mga page. Okay? Sa FB. Sa Facebook nila ito.